Hey everyone, it's Joy with the Plowman Team Realty. I'm checking in once again. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm at 576 Beechwood Street in Oshawa, Ontario, our newest listing. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you guys can check it out. Just bear with me. Perfect, here we go. So I know I was sideways last time, so hopefully it's much better now. Okay. So here is a front view of the property. Beautiful house, 1-car garage, detached. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a panoramic view of the neighborhood. Welcome back, welcome back. Feel free to interact with me, guys. Hey, Joss. Okay, so that's a slow view of the neighborhood. It's really quiet over here. A great neighborhood. It's on Roslyn and Wilson. So it's literally a minute drive from the plaza with the Shoppers Drug Mart, Food Basics, everything that you guys need. Coffee culture as well, literally around the corner. So prime location. So we're gonna head inside now. Thank you, Jocelyn. Okay, so now we're inside the property. So when you first walk in, this is what your first view looks like. Okay. So here is the front door. So the first room that we're going to explore is the living room. So it's a really big size, so it's awesome. Gives you guys enough space to lounge around. This house here is at 537 Beechwood Street, Miranda and Oshawa, Ontario. It's right off of Roslyn and Wilson. Okay, and this house here is listed for $599. Okay, so this is the living room. Really big windows, which is a personal favorite of mine. You know, you can always peek out of the window, be a little bit nosy, see what's going on outside. And it also gives you guys a lot of natural lighting, so you don't have to keep the lights on, although the lighting is Potlights, which is also nice. Yeah, Sharon, it's a great area. Literally, if you wanted to, you could walk to the Shoppers Drug Mart, to the Food Basics, Coffee Culture. Okay, so now it wraps right into the dining and kitchen area that also has a walkout to the backyard, which we're gonna check out soon. Okay. So here is a view of the kitchen. Has Potlights, hardwood flooring all throughout, which is a plus. Okay. Now, the first thing that you guys see, of course, is the cabinets. It's light cabinets. Personally, my favorite. If you guys were to go check out my Pinterest, you'd see that it's full of kitchens with white cabinets, light cabinets. It's just personally, for me, a favorite. And it also has granite countertops. Okay, so I'll give you guys a closer view of everything. So here's the sink, and it also is located right underneath this window here, which gives you guys a beautiful view to all the greenery outside. When you're washing dishes, you could play some music, look outside, and before you know it, the work is done. Okay. So also a side note here, the appliances, excluding the dishwasher, are all brand new. So they're just about a year old, which is nice. And they're Samsung as well, so that's awesome. Okay, the backsplash is also pretty. I like pretty. Okay, so when you walk over here, you're gonna see some extra storage here. And this right here is the door to the garage, which we're not gonna go in there, but it's full of stuff, of course. Every garage is. And right here, if you turn, we are going into the powder room. So it's a great sized powder room here. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice. Okay, with the mirror there, so you can always open it up for some fresh air, which is nice. The toilet and the sink. Okay. Feel free, guys, to share your comments, anything that you like about the property. Feel free to open up. Don't be shy. I love this. It says joy over perfection. My name is Joy. So it's meant to be. Okay, so this door here, this opens up to the laundry room there, but there's some stuff in there, but it's a typical laundry room that walks down to the basement. The appliances in there also are a year old. Okay, so I don't think I showed you guys this part. So this is just the closet on the main level of the house. Great size. Okay. So now we're gonna head upstairs, which I'm super excited for. So it's hardwood all throughout the house. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. Let me know, feel free. So the first thing you see when you come upstairs is a window. I love windows, so that's awesome, great size. The windows are newer as well. And then you are looking at the main bathroom. Okay, so it has the toilet, the tub over here, okay, with a window over there as well. And then we have the mirror and the sink here, which is great counter space actually. Okay, so we're gonna head into the first room, which is beautifully decorated for a baby girl. It's a great sized bedroom. As you see here, there's enough space for a crib and some extra furniture. Hey Arsad, this house is located, yes, the tiles in the shower, Joss. This house is located at 576 Beechwood Street in Oshawa, Ontario, right off of Wilson and Roslyn. Okay, so good size window. And then in this corner, you'll see the closet. So I'll open it up for you guys so you can see. So the closet's actually pretty deep, so you could even walk into here if you'd like. So that's also nice. And Arshad, this home is also this home is also listed for $599, in case you're wondering. All right, so the next room that we're gonna go into is the master bedroom. So I'll give you guys a general view before we walk in. Again, hardwood flooring all throughout. Okay, so you guys see here, great space in here. Windows nice and big. And then right here is the closet. So you guys can see it's a mirrored closet, which is a personal favorite of mine because it makes the room just feel a lot bigger. And who doesn't like extra mirror space to, you know, get ready, look at your outfits, take some selfies. All right. So here is a main view of the closet space. Of course, it goes all the way into there. Okay. So far, we're only through half of the house. So you guys feel free to comment down below anything that you see that you like about this property. There's a lot of awesome features. So here we're in the next room. So they're using it as an office. Here, let me walk back so you can have a general view. So they use it as an office, but of course it's big enough to be used as a bedroom. It is a bedroom. So another nice window right here. Comment down below if anyone is a fan of Audrey Hepburn. Okay, and we're turning into the closet space here. Okay, so great closet space just like in every other bedroom. And we're gonna turn in and go to the last bedroom. All right, so you guys can see here, I'll give you guys a general view. Beautifully decorated for a little boy. So another big window as well. Why not see the view of the backyard, which is nice. Over here, we're looking at the closet. So I'll give you guys a little peek into there as well. Okay. And another panoramic view before we leave. Yes, Jocelyn, the backyard is beautiful. I'm just leaving it till last so that there's a little mystery, a little bit of anticipation. The trees and everything is gorgeous. I could be out there all day. So we're gonna head downstairs now. Just bear with me, I'm gonna walk a little slow. Yep, you got it, 4 bedrooms. That's just another view there. So it's 4 bedrooms upstairs. I know, Miranda, and I'm going much slower for the suspense aspect. It's like a movie, isn't it? All right, so I'll speed it up for you guys. I'm not going to take all your time. So we'll just move back into the kitchen here, give you guys another view. Beautiful pot lights in the kitchen. granite countertops, your appliances, and voila, we are right at the walkout to the backyard. Jocelyn, I hope you're still with us. All right, so I'm gonna open it right up. And the first thing that you're looking at here is the deck that overlooks to the backyard, which is awesome. You can come out here with your family, barbecue, you know, just look at the trees, enjoy the greenery, super private, okay? And they have a gazebo set up here and it's covered as well, so you can even come out here even if it's raining and just relax over some tea, coffee, just chat and just enjoy the fresh air. Especially in this time, fresh air is definitely something that we all need, eh? So I'll give you guys another view. So many trees, so much greenery. And it also backs onto a creek there. So beyond the trees actually is a creek. So it's super private. Okay, so we're gonna head downstairs now. So you guys will see over here. Comment down below, guys, what's your favorite feature so far? Okay, so here is a general view of the backyard. Huge backyard, lots of space. There's the deck over there that overlooks it, and then we're gonna see down here, just underneath the deck, there's another setup there. So that's pretty awesome. Multi-use here in the backyard. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around so you guys can see it. Lots of space to walk around. They have a little park set up, which is super cute. You can come out here and really do anything, just relax. We have the shed there. And over here is a heated workshop as well, so that's a nice little surprise. Absolutely, exactly. It's so private, lots of space. You can be out here all day, literally, if you'd like. Or you could just be up on the deck, just chilling. After you finish cooking dinner, you can bring your food outside and enjoy your food. Okay, so right underneath the deck, we have another setup. So the heated workshop is this door right here. Hopefully you guys can see my finger. And then the next best feature is we have a walkout from the basement. So that door that I was talking about near the kitchen was also the stairs to the basement, but I wanted to come out here and do it this way just so that you can see, you know, suspense. Yes, the price is amazing for the size of the home, the area as well. Super close to everything that you need. Okay. So this one here, Sharon, has a powder room on the main floor, and it has a main bathroom upstairs and also another one here. So we're entering into the basement now. So there is a walkout, which is amazing, and a second kitchen. What more could you ask for? It has everything. It has a private backyard. It has 2 kitchens, fully finished basement with the extra bedroom. I mean, dream listing, right? Okay, so it's laminate flooring down here. And I'm giving you guys a view of the kitchen. Okay, so it has pot lights down here as well. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it? So I'll give you guys a general view. The yellow door adds some personality. Yes, the walkout's amazing. Super convenient. So I'm just gonna go into the kitchen here. So we have the sink, light cabinets again, which is a personal favorite, seasonings, microwave, stove, everything that you need. Okay, and then right next to it is the bathroom. Okay, beautiful bathroom with a standing shower and nice tiling in the shower as well. And then the cute corner here for the sink. Honestly, they did such a great job with everything, and they made perfect use of all the space. So we're entering into the extra bedroom down here. So it's awesome. So we have the closet space over there. Give you guys a general view. Honestly, great size. Like, we have the double bed, we have the dresser, 2 dressers, a desk. So you guys could imagine the size of this room. Yes, the yellow door is awesome, isn't it? I personally love it. So here we are in the basement once again. And then this door here is that door that connected to the laundry stairway here. So yeah, everything, I mean, the layout is excellent. It flows perfectly. You have the walkout here to the backyard. So we're just gonna head back upstairs, give you guys one last view. Again, this is listed for $599, which is an amazing price. Great home, detached, one-car garage, and prime location, literally walking distance to Shoppers, Drug Mart, Food Basics. Honestly, right, Sharon? Look at the view. As soon as you walk out, it's just, and also they also have a little seating arrangement set down here for when you're just chilling in the basement. You can come out as well as and enjoy it without interrupting whatever's going on upstairs. So here's another general view. Huge backyard. Very private. Right beyond these trees is a creek. So it backs right onto a creek. If you guys listen, you can hear the trees rustling in the wind and everything. So I personally love it. Okay. And that's the deck there. That is the walkout from the kitchen. So we're gonna go back up there and just give you guys another last view before I log off here. Again, you guys feel free to share your comments, your thoughts. Great property. Well maintained. Okay, so there's that walkout there. We're gonna walk back into the property. Okay. Of course, Sharon, I'm going to head out there right now for you. So let's go out there so you can get another view of the house. So as you can see, it's just, the layout is great. It flows well. And right here's the front door, and then the stairs that go up to the upper level, which is nice and private, right? Okay, so that's the view when you come out of the house. Huge driveway here. Definitely can fit more than 2 cars, which is ideal, especially when you're a family full of drivers. So I'm gonna turn the camera for you, Sharon. Here's just a view of the neighborhood. Okay, and here is the house, 576 Beechwood Street in Oshawa, Ontario. 1-car garage, fully detached. Honestly, it's a fully loaded house. Everything has been well maintained. Gorgeous tree out here in the back for shade. I'm just enjoying the breeze out here. Okay, so that's everything, guys. Once again, it's 576 Beechwood Street in Oshawa, Ontario, and this is our newest listing. Okay, it's located on Roslyn and Wilson, so really close to that plaza there with the Shoppers Drug Mart, Food Basics, coffee culture, some restaurants. It has literally everything you need right around the corner. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, inquiries, feel free to comment. Feel free to reach out to us. If you guys want a private viewing, feel free to reach out to me and I'd love to do it. All right, take care, guys. Bye.